Another lousy night. Hello, Lucero here. I get sleep, but usually have nightmares. Last night was no exception. Nightmares. At least I get sleep somehow, even if it's with negative dreams. So, I am SirSpyCat, the blue cat that ate too much blue yogurt because I got into a garbage dumpster. Also known as TrollCat when someone needs to be argued with. So, when I get a microwave, I told everyone I was getting a cat microwave, so that's what I got. I have so many aliases as cat, I had to have a cat microwave. And unfortunately, they only had this, Hello Kitty, a pink cat. Well, anyway. SirSpyCat has to have a cat microwave when he uses the microwave. I mean, it's only appropriate, even though I couldn't get a male cat. I guess they don't like to make male microwave cats. They only make female microwave cats. But anyway. I'm going to be a SirSpyCat. Sir, as in Royal United Cat, SpyCat, SirSpyCat. That means I'm an international cat that I roam from country to country. How's this thing open? So anyway, there it is. SirSpyCat has his cat microwave. Anyway, just came in. They FedEx the thing to me today. Anyway, for those of you that didn't believe I actually had a cat microwave, there it is, right there. SirSpyCat's cat microwave. Yeah, ThePinkCat. Let's see, the blue cat. I have to call my microwave the pink cat. I'm the blue cat, and that is my pink cat. That is the pink cat. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Lucero.